So let's have a go at writing our second function. So now I'm going to want a function to do this little block of code here. Once again, we'll write function and then we'll give our function a name. Let's have validateValues. And this time I'm going to pass in some data into my function. So I'm going to need to give it some parameters. So I'm going to have value1 and value2 as parameters for my function. Next thing to do is to use this code here, this if statement, if, and because we're not calling it pin 1 and pin 2, we're going to have value 1 and value 2. I'm going to say if value 1 is equal to value 2. What do I want it to do? Well, if value 1 is equal to value 2, then I'm going to create a variable called validated and set it to true. If they're not equal, I'll have a variable called validated, which I'll set to false. And I'm going to return whatever validated is. So that's my function written in pseudocode there. I'm going to really quickly transfer that over to Python. Let's have a look at that over here. Def validate values, value1 and value2, colon to end the function, lowercase if value1 is equal to value2, remember use double equals for equality, colon at the end, validated equals true, and in Python true is with a capital T and all the rest lowercase, else validated equals false, and we'll finish with a return validated. So that's that function written. What we're going to have a look at next is what happens when we run this function and see whether we can use it in combination with this function here to get back our original program's functionality.